day.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.
This video is sponsored by the award-winning Daily Market Movements trading platform. To open a live or demo account, simply visit dmmtradingplatform.com.
Hello guys, it's Max here from Daily Market Movements. Welcome to another episode where today we're going to be analysing the S&P500 futures chart. Just before I start today's video, anyone who's interested in joining my free analysis group over on Telegram, then please do not hesitate to scan this QR code on your screen. But let's start here with the S&P 500 on this Thursday morning, and it's a very big Thursday today due to the fact in a few hours time we get the CPI inflation reading. And it's going to cause a hell lot of volatility. The last time we had the CPI reading was on this date here, which is around the 13th of September. And as you can see, it caused a huge movement, huge amounts of volatility in the market. We had roughly a 5% drop on the day. And that's what I am expecting today. You know, I'm expecting a 2 to 3% move in either direction due to the fact that VIX is so high. And when the VIX is above 30, it's pretty much telling you that the S&P 500 is going to move on average per day 2.5 to 3%. So that's what I'm anticipating here. What do I think the CPI reading number is going to be? I do not have a clue. Either do my sources over in the US. You know, it's a guessing game. It's 50-50, right? So I don't gamble. I invest. So, you know, I'm not really going to be entering many positions but prior. You know, going into the actual reading itself, I'm looking to act upon it after the reading. You know, if it's hotter than expected, then I'm looking to add to my sells. If it's cooler than expected, then I'll look to add to some buys, because, you know, I think you're going to get that initial 1 to 1.5% movement in either direction once the figures out, and then you'll get a continuation of the move. You know, I've studied the last couple of CPI prints that we've had, and, you know, the market's always closed down near the swing lows. So that's what I believe will happen. Let's say if it is higher, then, you know, you're going to get that initial 1.5% move towards the upside. That's when you can add to some buyers, and then you just got to wait. You just got to wait it out, and hopefully by the end of the trading session, it will be, you know, the market will close up near those swing highs. And you know, a lot of the cycles that I follow here for the indices, they are telling me that they have now come to an end and that a rally is due any day now. So it's very interesting now that the CPI reading is here. To see whether, you know, it is in fact the CPI that is going to spark the rally. Is it going to be the catalyst that gives us this, you know, big rally that I'm anticipating for? Look at the VIX. The VIX is still just hovering around 34. You know, history would tell you that that's a fantastic buying opportunity, with the 10-year yields that are starting to stall out up near the all-time highs. Sorry, not the all-time highs, but yearly highs up around that 4% mark, and that's an area where I did expect us to go and retarget. We've hit it, and now we're starting to cool off. And also look at the dollar, guys. The dollar is really starting to become exhausted. You can tell by these candlesticks we form this nice curve, and that is just exhaustion up at the top here. It's just starting to become really tired, and I do anticipate a rollover, and it could potentially be the CPI that triggers that. So all eyes on the CPI reading today. As I mentioned, you know, it's impossible to know what the number's going to be going into the print, so don't be gambling and entering any positions beforehand. I'd be looking to act upon it afterwards.
There's Apple's under pressure.
You buy stocks on Tuesday and sell them on Friday.
The market is as volatile as you'll ever see.
Traders saying this is the craziest day they have ever seen in these markets. Veteran traders saying they've never seen anything like it.